Okay, here's our second example on calculating using a force triangle. Our word problem reads, a boy pushes a box with 28 newtons of force. The box accelerates at 7 meters per second square. How much mass does the box contain? So step one, we always draw the force triangle, which is what I have already done. Step two, draw a triangle again, but this time let's plug in our numbers. So from the word problem, we have 28 newtons of force. We also were given acceleration of 7 meters per second square. And if you'll look in step two over here, I've already inserted the 28 newtons of force where it belongs in the triangle, and I've already uh, inputted the 7 meters per second square also where it belongs. Step three, we're going to write the formula that we're going to use. So since our question mark is where mass is put in our triangle, we're going to be using the formula mass equals force divided by acceleration. The step four, we're going to write our formula again, but this time we're going to plug in the numbers that we have. And if we look at step two, we see we have 28 newtons and we have 7 meters square, 7 meters per second square, sorry. And so I set it up over here. M equals 28 newtons divided by 7 meters per second square. And then step five, we solved the problem. And I did it right here in step five. It's our formula will be set up as M equals 28 divided by 7. Always use a calculator. I know you're going to want to do this in your head, but the day of the STAR test or the day of the snapshot, you will have a calculator. I suggest you use it. 28 divided by 7 equals 4 kilograms. Remember, you have to have that unit of measure, and for mass, it's kilograms. And that is how we solve a problem using the force triangle for mass. And if you just watch these videos, these two videos I made over and over and over, this is how you can solve it. If you can remember these 5 steps, then you'll always get it right. At some point, you're going to get really good at this, and you won't need all 5 steps, but let's practice this for at least the first 2 days, and then you can take some shortcuts on my 5 steps. But let's practice it, all the problems you're about to complete with the 5 steps.